So hey guys, in this video I'll tell you how you can use Gemini application in your device. So guys, you must notice whenever you tap or long press the center button of your phone, a pop-up will you will get to see like Ask Gemini, or whenever you press your power button, this kind of page will be open. So guys, in today's video I will tell you in simple steps how you can use Gemini AI. So first of all friends, install the Gemini application in your iPhone or your Android device and then open Gemini application. So guys, as you open, this kind of page will be open. How friends, here by using Gemini AI you can ask any question like what is the capital of India. And guys, by using Gemini AI you can also generate different images by just giving different prompt like imagine flood in Maldives. For example friends, so guys, by using this tool you can also generate so many images just by giving prompt or just by giving imagination question. Like you can see guys, our image is generated. And friends, by using Gemini AI you can also do a conversation live with the Gemini AI. So to do live conversation, tap on this option. So guys, by using Gemini AI you can also do a live conversation with the AI. You can also generate images and you can also normal chat with the AI, and also you can ask your questions or doubts. So guys, basically Gemini AI is a AI based tool by Google, and if you have any questions regarding this tool, so you can ask me in the comments, and please subscribe to our channel to get more interesting and latest videos, and also share this video with your friends.